Alright, we are in Harmony Hill Nature Area. And we're going to be searching for some ruins today on this side. I do believe I've seen them before, but I didn't know what they were at the time. This is our third time here, actually, in Harmony Hill. Alright, so we're going to be walking along the red trail, and then we're going to make another connecting point, but we need the upper portion of the red trail. And Dano's already ahead of me. Patiently waiting. So patient. So yeah, there is snow on a trail. It's supposed to reach almost 40 degrees today. I thought it'd be a good idea to get out and about. The ruins we are trying to search for is what is left of the farm of William and Persis Eades, but only the barn ruins remain. The Eades purchased the 309-acre farm from Benjamin Lippincott in 1927, the year after they were married. The Eades called their farm Englemere, and their farmstead was most likely built in the late 1800s. In 1953, William had sold the property to East Cound Realty Company. By the late 1950s, the main house had burned down, leaving little trace of the once thriving farm. In 1967, the land had changed hands again, this time to the Downingtown Paper Company, which repurposed areas along Scalp Level Road as a dumping ground for sludge from its paper-making operations. Nearly 4 decades later, in 2005, East Bradford Township acquired the site from Sunoco, Downingtown Paper's successor. Today, the former Englemere farm has mostly been reclaimed by nature. Yeah, there is a little bit of elevation changes here, so. Alright, so orange blaze with yellow. That's what we need. Right? Yeah, connecting yellow. Yep, there's a yellow blaze up there. It is a big dog. I saw the footprints. And then yellow. Alright, so we're gonna... Oh, the ruins are right there. Alright, Dana, the ruins are right over here, bud. But these are not the Englemere ruins. These are actually different ruins. But I do find the right ruins later. And I do believe there's more ruins. Alright, let's see if we can make our way to them. No, I don't think so. I think this might be part of the spring house. Yeah, this is a spring house. There was a spring house that I took a picture of you sitting by when we were here a couple years ago. I just don't know if this is it or not. And it's squishy, dude. Okay, yeah, I see it. Thank you.
That's another one?
That might be another one, yes. Just have to be careful. Yep, it's a spring house. Actually, it does look like the same one. A little bit more deteriorated now, but it certainly looks like the same one. Comment below and let me know what you think.
Yeah, it's a woodpecker.
Built in a hillside there. Ow. I need to organize this better. Alright. Yeah, like a stick whacked me in the face.
Hear that?
Yeah.
There's a woodpecker.
I don't know. Alright, let's see if we can get over there. I'm actually following deer tracks. Oh. That's ice. That's a depression, huh?
Yeah. So long, too.
A lot of thorns, thorny bushes growing in this area.
It might be a house.
It's hard to tell because there's slots where wood floor planking would go normally. I don't know.
Here's a concrete slab here.
Yeah, I saw that.
So maybe a farmhouse house?
I know. Alright, let's move on.
There's a bridge over there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we were in this area.
Which way is the other room?
I don't know. There should be more to this. Ah.
And how far?
Does that look like a trail over there? To you?
Seems like it.
Alright. I'm gonna go your way. It's just easier. Alright. Back on the road. Trail. Road, trail, road. Alright, so actually that trail we came out to before was actually the Orange Blaze Trail. So we had to get back on a Yellow Blaze. So just make sure that whenever you go for a little hike in snow that you're wearing good footwear, because this looks like a doozy right here. Slow and steady. That wasn't slow and steady, but so it goes that way a little bit to the stream bed, but then it stops. So then the yellow continues on here. I do have crampons on me if I need them. I don't feel like I need them yet. It's not exactly icy, it's more soft. So, you think we just found a truck? Or crumbled remnants of it. I saw a fender in the front. Where you're at.
Might be a truck.
Or a car.
Wheel. Bit of metal.
Alright, hold on, I'm making my way through these
It's upside down.
thorns.
No idea what this is.
Thorns. Huh. I mean, it looks like a framing for a vehicle.
Yeah, it's upside down.
It is upside down? Alright, well, I'm stuck behind
This is stuff.
the life of thorns over here.
For one of these.
Interesting.
Some of it's still shiny.
Oh yeah? Like chrome-like shiny?
Maybe.
Oh wait, hold on. Interesting. Yeah, there's a headlight
Yeah.
right there. I wonder how it got back here.
No. There's a tire there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is probably covered up during the summer, huh? Let me get it closer. There's the seat. Spring coils. Or I should say remnants of a seat. Hello.
Hi. I don't see you in there.
It's a truck or something.
Yeah, that truck's been there for a long time.
Nice. All right, let's head back on the trail, kid. Yeah, sometimes these weeds are no joke,
Most of these
especially
are
the thorny ones.
which most of them are not.
So to be honest, I don't know if that was the ruins I was looking for by the spring house or not. When I started researching the area, I did see like pictures and information from the Historical Society. But I can't see a house being too far away from the spring house, which we're probably a good half a mile away now. And we're at a crossing. I gotta figure out which way to go.
Yellow's the way I'm headed.
Yeah, but it was like a light green trail place that we needed. Yeah, I have a picture of it on my phone. I just don't feel like digging out my phone right now. We need orange to, I thought there was a light green, so move over. Yep, that way a little bit.
Orange just loops around back on itself.
Yeah, we don't want orange. So Danny scoped out the trail ahead of me. I was continuing to read the Historical Society's directions. We're gonna check this out first, but this isn't the main part. Wow. Cellar depression. You can see the corners go that way, come over here, and then go this way. I do believe this is where the farmhouse was actually located. These thorns are relentless. All right. And there it is, son of a bitch. All right. Wow. And these are the barn ruins I've been trying to look for. Oh wow, here's stairs. Now I also take a 3D scan of these ruins too, in which I'll show in a little bit. So I did try to find more history on his farmstead, and the only other thing I really found was that William had bred German Shepherds. I'm actually wondering if he had them out in his barn. Now here is where you can see where the floor beams were. This was possibly a 2-story barn. Now I'm not doing a lot of talking in this section because what I'm actually doing is also 3D scanning at the same time. Danny's trying something out on his laptop. There's stone now. Field stone. Now, note I am pretty out of shape lately, and yeah, this was a complete struggle. I felt like I was dying. And then my son was completely empathetic. And then he just leaves me.